Good afternoon, children. So
Good
here we
afternoon,
can
ma'am.
start today's class. And as I told, we can take the lesson 11, wildfire. Okay, some students are ready with their presentation. So introduction and all. Shivadyan, are you ready, Shivadyan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you can start. You want to share it, right? So let me close the chat box. Okay, I enable it you to share it. Yes.
Ma'am, today will be their class test?
When it is told, Prajwal.
Ma'am, can you see the screen?
Yes.
So then you are muted. Natural disasters. Introduction. Now, 1 minute.
Shivadyan.
Ma'am, 1 minute. Okay, now okay. Natural disasters. Introduction. Natural disasters. Nature can be harmful sometimes. Sometimes ground shakes or heavy rain flood the land. Some other times. You do not take the next speech.
So it is showing slideshow.
This.
Okay, showing natural disaster.
Natural disasters, not wildfire. Ma'am, he did not start the slideshow.
Wait, children. Wait. Let him start. Okay, wildfire is also a example for natural disaster. Why you are becoming so impatient?
Now can you see? Ma'am,
Yes.
which day did you take this wildfire?
Adidev, mute your audio.
Did you take this in Monday? Because I was not there at home. Now I'll try one more time. Now can you?
Yes, we can say the same thing. By the sound.
That I added.
But I think we all got nicely in our ears, right?
That was good, like a rocket going. Natural disasters. Introduction. Natural disasters. Can you see this? Ma'am? I can only see natural disaster introduction, not anything different than that. Can you slideshow? I am slideshowing now. No, it's not. It's not slideshowing. It's normal. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, it is normal. You're
Wait,
not
children.
slideshowing.
Let him give time for see. Now it is okay.
Now I can see. Natural disasters. Nature can be harmful sometimes. Sometimes ground shakes or heavy rain flood the land. Sometimes, some other times, strong wind blows off everything in the way. In some places, a hot boiling liquid out of the earth called lava burning up things. Fire may spread in the forest area and destroy everything. All this can kill humans, animals, plants, and can destroy houses, roads, and so on. These are called natural disasters. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, it is not going. I'll start it one more time.
Okay. Okay, Sivaji.
Okay, ma'am. Now I will start it again.
1, 2, 3, start. Recording is off. Now we can see. Now it is okay.
What are natural disasters?
Ma'am, it's not there.
Ma'am is here, Henry. Why you are bothered about ma'am? I can see what you are doing here.
What are natural disasters? A natural disaster is a hostile event resulting from natural processes of Earth. It can cause great damage, such as it can kill both people and animals. It can also destroy their shelter also. There are many types of natural disasters. There are natural disasters that even happens in the sky too. There are man-made disasters also. For example, avalanches that is caused when we ski on loose ice. Types of natural disasters: tsunami, earthquakes, cyclone, wildfires. We can learn about all of them later. Now we can learn about wildfires. Wildfires. Wildfires are one of the popular disasters in the world. Wildfires are frequent in our country. Around 2,000 wildfires occur in India every year. In the states of Uttarakhand, around 1,600 wildfires broke out in 2016. The wildfire can do extreme damages. Uncontrolled wildfires can spread to civilizations and burn down their house or kill people. The most recent fire is the Lanza fire, which started on November 21. In our country, often observed during the first season and during the fire season, a number of 37,059 fires were detected in the year 2018 using MODIS, Moderate Resolution Imaging Spectroradiometer sensor data. Advantage and disadvantage of wildfires. Advantage: ashes left after the fire is a natural fertilizer. Disadvantage: air pollution. Advantage: the fire can burn down overgrown plants. Disadvantage: it can kill people. Advantage: it releases greenhouse gases also. Disadvantages: global warming. Advantage: will kill animals that are harmful to the nature. Disadvantage: can cause extinction of some species. Advantage: the smoke after the fire can make rain. Disadvantage: if a fire reaches an area that has a gas plant, it could blast and kill the humans working in it. Types of wildfire. Ground fire, fires that burn treetop from treetop. Surface fire, a fire that only burns off on the surface of the forest.
Rohit, mute your audio.
Cloud fire, fire that occur in deep accumulations of humus, peat, and similar dead vegetation that become dry enough to burn. Fun facts. Each year, avalanches kill more than 150 people worldwide. An avalanche can travel faster than 320 kilometers per hour. Earthquakes can occur near the surface or deep below the surface. Earthquakes occur in the crust or upper mantle. Approximately 55 earthquakes happen per day. 2,000 earthquakes happen around the globe each year. The center of a cyclone is called as an eye. Tropical cyclones are found only over warm ocean waters near the equator. When warm, moist air over the ocean rises upwards from the near surface. Q&A. Ma'am,
Yes.
this question answer.
Okay. Okay.
To Rohit. Rohit,
Ma'am, this
what is a ground fire?
in the fire that fires in the top of the trees.
Correct. Name one disadvantage of fire. Adide.
I was expecting that question to me. Not gonna lie. Disadvantage one.
Yes.
One disadvantage can cause extinctions.
Okay. To Jeswin. What are natural disasters? Yaswin? Yes. What are natural disasters?
Yes. Pass the question.
I pass to Joseph Nihal.
Pass it.
Then I pass to Abel. Wildfire, the natural disasters are the disasters that happen in the nature. It is kind of correct, not fully correct. Can I see the answer?
Yes.
Natural disasters are hostile events formed when natural events when the in the process of Earth. Next question. Muhammad Amil. Basically, how much type of wildfires are there? Amil. Now he is not responding.
Okay. So then can you stop sharing? One student in another name, it is joined. I want to see. Jamila Abdul. Who is that? Andul. Who is that one? Can you switch on the video? I think left. Right. Okay. Yes, you can continue. Continue with this. Continue it, Shiva.
I'll continue. Okay. Ma'am, Mohammed Amil did not respond. Can I ask to another student?
Yes, yes, sure.
To Prajwal.
Okay, you can say the answer.
3 types of wildfire.
Over?
Yes, ma'am. Then I want to show a picture.
Hmm.
I'll share one more time. I am going to show a picture of Modis. Ma'am, this is Modis. This is satellites used to detect wildfires around the world. Finished, ma'am.
Okay. Well done, Shivadyan. Appreciating for your hard work. You searched a lot. Okay. Listen to children. Give a good clap. Okay. Next one, Rohit. Rohit.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. You can. Now you can.
Can you see it? Can you
Yeah,
see it?
start. Yes, yes. Picture we can. Wildfire. Yes.
Wildfires. Human-caused wildfires. Human-caused wildfires result from campfires left unattended, burning of debris,
Unattended.
Sorry, ma'am.
Hmm.
Equipment used and manufactured such as downed power lines.
Are you reading this, Rohit? Is that your sound?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Hmm. Yes. Continue. Yes. Yes. Rohit?
Equipment used and manufactured such as downed power lines,
Hmm.
negligently discarded cigarettes,
Negligently
discarded cigarettes,
negligently discarded cigarettes. Hmm.
firearms and fireworks,
Hmm.
and action of arms.
Acts of arson, right?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, my cousin sent it just 2:30. He just sent me.
About 97.
About 97% of wildland fires are caused by humans. Natural occurred wildfires. Natural occurred wildfires are most frequently caused by lightning.
Lightning, that is important. Lightning, yes.
There are also volcanic, meteor, and coal steam fires.
Meteor, volcanic.
It's a meteor. It's a meteor, not a meteor.
Meteor, M-E-T-E-O-R.
Meteor.
Meteor, we can check it. Okay, M-E-T-E-R, not me. Yes. Yes.
A small asteroid.
The meteors are the parts of the planets or the heavenly bodies. Okay.
And it's also a small asteroid.
Satellite.
Yes. Parts of it. Yes. Yes, Rohit.
Coal seam fires depending on the circumstances.
Adide, mute your audio. Circumstances means circumstances means on the situation. Okay, depending on the situation, circumstances. Hmm.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
2 lines are also not there here, but he did not include.
Hmm. Why can't you, why are you taking his help? You can do it, no?
Ma'am, I don't know to use Microsoft Office, and I also don't have computer in my home.
So in the phone also you can do it, no?
Ma'am, but presentation should
Yes,
be.
ma'am. We can do.
Hmm. Next one. So it is his work. So I will take his name in here. Okay, seminar.
No, ma'am, Mark, Google search and all I do.
Huh. To say it fast.
3% of only wildfires are caused by nature.
Nature. Nature. Hmm. Hmm.
Hope you all enjoy my presentation.
Over.
Yes, ma'am. Only I mean, Google only 2 topics was there. I look many.
Hmm?
I looked
See?
for many, but 2 only got.
Okay.
Balance
Okay,
all
let
are
it be.
different.
Let it be. So today we saw a presentation by 2 of the students on wildfire. Okay. So important topics I will discuss it. Otherwise, you will miss these all important points. Take your rough book, children. Everyone, take your rough book fast. Yes. So put today's date. What is today's date? Today it is 8/12/21.
Ma'am, you
So-
are not sharing the screen.
Student
Okay.
share.
Okay. Thank you for informing. Thank you. Viraj, mute your audio. You are present today. So, chapter number 11. Okay. Wildfire. Everyone should write it in your rough book. So, lesson 11, wildfire. If you are turning the pages to lesson 12, the name of it is cyclones and floods. And if you see the lesson 13, that is earthquakes and tsunami. So I think these all names are nowadays familiar to you. Am I right, children?
Yes,
Ma'am.
Yes. Nowadays we are hearing these old words. I think presently we heard a lot about cyclones. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
I didn't learn.
Yeah, some cyclones have different names also. Like you students have Shreya, Parvati, Jaswin. In the same way, in order to identify the different types of cyclones, the scientists are giving some special names. So now, in the last 2 days, one cyclone. Can you tell me the name of the cyclone? The name which it is given to that cyclone? Javad.
Question.
Okay, wait. Javad, isn't it? So that cyclone is hitting the coastal regions of Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, like this. Okay, so Cyclones means the strong wind that may be sometimes forming in the oceans. When they reach on to the land, the strength of the wind may become very high.
Ma'am, it's also
So-
known as tornado and
Yes, one type of cyclone. Okay, that is different. Hurricane, tornadoes. These are the different names based on the place where it is forming. Likewise, different types are there. Okay, so these cyclones, when they reaches onto the land, they may become very strong. Okay, so you can see here 50 kilometers per hour, like that much speed it have. And when during this strong wind, then that may be associated with heavy rain. Okay, so cyclones are one of the reason to form heavy rains. See, nowadays we are hearing about in the news channels, in the newspapers, everything issues about Mullaperiyar Dam, isn't it? Why that issue is formed? Why that issue is formed? Because very good, Abel. Very good, very good. Because see, I don't want to say something which is not that much important. See, reason for this Mullaperiyar issue, that is about heavy rain. That is because of the cyclones. So heavy rains makes a flood in 2018. We all have faced a severe flood. I think some of us also are a victim of that flood, isn't it? So flood, flood, cyclones, then earthquake. These all we heard. Volcanic eruption and all. It is not that much familiar for us. Okay, so we are not in that volcanic centers, and so we are safe. But in some other foreign countries, the people living in that area are also afraid of volcanic eruption. That we will learn in the coming lessons. Okay, so here earthquakes, cyclone, floods, then tsunami also. Tsunami. These all are some accidents. Am I right? These are some of the accident. If I say these all accident, will you agree with it? Yes. Yes, these all are accident. Yes, Varada, what do you want to say?
Ma'am, in the vacation time, I go to Adrapalli. When I am traveling, I saw a place with a big statue, and it's written like flood over there, and it's very high.
Landslides. Okay, landslide. That is called landslides. All on a sudden, the land from that higher region that may come down along with the force of the water. Okay, that is called landslide. That is also a natural disaster. Last year and all, we witnessed this landslide due to the heavy rain caused by the cyclones. So these are accidents, natural accidents. So this disaster means accident in simple way. This disasters, as Shivadyan gave a large explanation, complicated explanation, right? That all it is not possible for the 5th standard students to understand. So disaster, meaning of the disaster is accidents. So these some of the accidents which we can't control. Can we control these accidents like a flood, cyclones, earthquake and all? Can we control it, children?
No, ma'am.
No. It is by the nature itself, right? Maybe because of the human activities, these all are happening. Okay, but these all are natural accident. So first, before learning about wildfire, we can learn about natural disaster. Natural disaster. So everyone write it in your book. Natural disaster. Okay, so what is the meaning of disaster? Accidents. What is the meaning of disaster? Accidents. Okay, understood? So what are natural disasters? Disasters or accidents caused by the nature. Accidents or disasters caused by the nature are called natural disasters. Is it clear, children? Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, so what are natural? If anybody asks you, what are natural disasters? Disasters, so write it, okay? Disasters caused by, who is causing these disasters? Who is the reason for nature? Caused by nature is called nature. Disasters caused by nature are called natural disaster. Natural disaster. Okay, so let me ask to Abel. Abel,
Yes, ma'am.
yes. What is the meaning of disaster?
Disaster.
Disaster. Only that word meaning of disaster. What is that?
Accident.
Accident. Yes, accident. So I think now you will be able to see what are natural disasters. Can you tell me what are natural disasters?
Disasters caused by nature are called natural disasters.
Very good. So Sapna, what are natural disasters, Sapna?
Disasters caused by nature are called natural disasters.
Okay, so what do you mean by disasters, Varada? What is the word meaning of the disaster?
Disasters means accident.
And simply, okay, simply for understanding, we can take it as accident. So can you give example for natural disasters? Example for natural disasters. Okay, let me see who can. Jaswin, can you give one example for natural disaster? Any one example of natural disaster, accident that can happen by nature. Yes, anyone? Anyone?
Ma'am, can I say?
Wait. Prajwal. Okay, Prajwal, I am giving you a chance. Yes. Earthquake. Okay, earthquake. So I think Jaswin can now add some more to it. Isn't it, Jaswin? Jaswin? Yes, can you add one more to it? Example for earthquakes, it is given by earthquakes. Okay, but sudden shaking of earth, that is called earthquake. Can you add one more to it? Any accident by the nature. Any accident by the nature. Just when you are hearing, yes, Sarah. Sarah, tell me. Sarah rose fast.
Ma'am, avalanches.
Avalanches. Okay. Then any other commonly which we heard about this? Tsunami. Okay, tsunami. We are the victim of this, isn't it? Tsunami. Then
Ma'am, why is it?
wildfire.
Ma'am,
Wildfire. Yes. Cyclone.
ma'am,
Cyclone. Then yes.
Rain.
Who is trying to say something? Who is that?
Rain.
ma'am,
Rain.
Okay, so rain, heavy rain, flood. Okay, flood. Rain is not a natural disaster. Okay, cloud bursting. Cloud bursting is there. So likewise, these are examples of natural disaster. Okay, so in the next class, we will discuss some more about the natural disasters and we will learn about the wildfire. Okay, so shall I wind up today's class? Thank you. Bye.